Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Notcoin from Ton wallet to Binance. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is go to your Notcoin, and at the moment I don't have my wallet connected here. So first you want to make sure that your wallet is connected. Once your wallet is connected, you're going to see a button like exchange, send, transfer, withdraw, something along those lines. And then you basically just want to go to your Binance account, CoinMarketCap, or any other crypto exchange app you basically have. And you want to search for NOT. This is the Notcoin. And basically, here, for example, you can buy it, but what you want to do is just go to your Binance wallet you have there and just transfer them that way. So the steps are: connect your wallet, transfer, send them to your wallet on your Binance, crypto exchange, CoinMarketCap, whatever exchange you have. And then you are going to be able to see them here, how much you have them. Then you can sell them, buy them, and do whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to help you out.